Briefly mention the alignment of major mountain ranges of the world and explain their impact on local weather conditions with examples. This is mains previous year's question. For answering this question, you need to know about basics of mountains and mountains around the world. So in the process of landforms series, we will discuss about mountains in continental second-order landforms. If you don't know about first and second-order classification, please watch this video popped up on top right corner. Before going into this video, we heartily welcome you all into the e-Gurukulam for IAS. Let's start. As we discussed earlier, in second-order classification of continental landforms, there are three types, which are mountains, plateaus and plains. Firstly, mountains. Nearly 27% of the world's land surface is covered by mountains. The mountains, on the basis of their mode of formation, can be classified as fold mountains, block mountains, volcanic mountains or accumulated mountains, residual mountains or relict mountains. Fold mountains. Mountain ranges mainly consisting of uplifted folded sedimentary rocks are called fold mountains. The Himalayas in Asia, the Alps in Europe, the Rockies in North America, and the Andes in South America are the most prominent fold mountains of the world. Since these mountain ranges were formed during the most recent mountain building period, they are also known as young fold mountains. Block mountains. The downlifting or uplifting of land in between two parallel faults results in the formation of block mountains. A block mountain is also called as host, and the rift valley formed as a result of faulting is called grubbing. Examples: the Sierra Nevada in North America, Black Forest Mountains in Germany, etc. are typical examples of block mountains. Volcanic mountains or accumulated mountains. The mountains formed by the accumulation of volcanic materials are called as volcanic mountains or mountains of accumulation. Examples: Mount Mauna Loa in Hawaii Island, Mount Popa in Myanmar, Fujiyam in Japan, etc. are some examples. Residual mountains or relict mountains. When weathering happens, some hard material stays and soft material gets weathered out. The landforms made out of that residual material are relict mountains. Hills like Nilgiri, Palkonda, Parasnath, and Rajmahal, and mountains like the Aravalli, the Vindhya, and the Satpura are some of the examples of relict mountains in India. Economic significance of mountains. Mountains are the storehouse of natural resources. Large resources of minerals like petroleum, coal, limestone are found in mountains. The mountains are the main source of timber, lac, medical herbs, etc. Hydroelectricity is mainly generated from the waters of perennial rivers in the mountains. The rivers that originate from the high mountain ranges bring silt along with water to the lower valleys. This helps in the formation of fertile plains and further the expansion of agriculture and related activities. The mountains can also act as natural boundaries between the two countries. They have a prominent role in protecting the country from external threats. The pleasant climate and beautiful sceneries of the mountains have led to their development as centers of tourist attraction. That's all for this video. We will discuss about plateaus, plains and more in next videos. Thank you for watching this video. e-Gurukulam signing off.